So I just do my brows off camera and now we'll start with my eyes. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with some concealer, so nothing special. And now I just hesitate a lot between these two palettes, but I will go with my Anastasia Beverly Hills one because God, this palette is so good. I forgot how the shadow blends itself. I just want to say sorry if you hear some few stuff behind me because right now we are in a big renovation, so my husband just changed one of her doors, so yeah, it's loud, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna blend this dark shade first, and now I'm gonna go with a little bit more of a darker reddish tone. So I'm gonna just put this in my crease and blend up this shade. And for finish this look, I'm gonna take this pink shade and just put that in my crease again, blend up, but I will put also this shade on my lids. For priming my face, I'm gonna use this gripping primer by Cover FX. So this is my second time that I use it and I'm not a fan of it. I'm just gonna keep trying and trying. For foundation, I'm gonna use my lightest shade that I had. So this is the Matte and Poreless. And yes, I put some foundation on my pants. Classic Stephanie. Yeah, I look pretty much like a ghost with this super white foundation. So now I'm gonna conceal my face, you know the drill with that. So this is my Tarte Shape Tape in the lightest shade that I had here at home. And I'm just gonna set everything with powder because if you go out all night long, you need to powder your face. Again, you know the drill with that. I just don't know if it's because I'm filming Halloween tutorial, but like, what? So now for my under eyes, I'm gonna use the two reddish dark shade in my palette and just blend this under my eyes. And I'm gonna use a super fluffy brush to be sure that everything is super smoky and low. So bring that red shade low to your face. Next, I'm gonna just use a regular eye pencil in the shade black and just put this in my waterline and a little bit down to be sure that everything is super smooth. I'm gonna create this cat eye effect with my pencil and I'm just gonna do a little bit of white over this. Okay, now it's time to put some life in my face. I'm gonna use this more grayish shade. I'm just gonna contour my face like usual, but I'm gonna go a little bit more heavy-handed with my contour to create like a strong look. And I'm gonna put a little bit of the reddish tone shade in my contour too. Now it's time for the best. I'm gonna highlight my face. So I just put a little bit of this shadow to highlight my face, but it was a little bit too dark. So if you go lighter like me, just don't put this on your face because you're gonna have like a gray strike on your face. So for my lips, I'm just gonna line them with a pencil that looks like my regular lip color. And for my color lips, I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick by NYX. So this is a very dark plum. And I'm just gonna go super slowly to be sure that I don't mess this shit. So before to leave, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to follow me on my social media. Bye!